Hello everyone and welcome back. Are you choosing between FBS and ThinkMarkets? Well then let's break down the key differences to help you decide which broker fits your trading style. First up we have safety. ThinkMarkets wins here with top-level regulation from the FCA in the UK and the ASIC in Australia. These are strict watchdogs that protect your money. FBS is regulated too, mainly by Cyprus and Belize authorities, but they're not quite as tough. If safety is your number one priority, ThinkMarkets has the edge. Now, let's talk money to get started. FBS just needs $5 to open an account. That's incredibly low, perfect for beginners who want to test the waters. ThinkMarkets asks for $50 minimum, which is still reasonable, but 10 times more than FBS. For new traders on a tight budget, FBS is the clear winner. What about fees, you might ask? Well, FBS offers spreads from zero point 0.7 pips with no extra fees on most trades. Their costs are very low, especially on popular currency pairs like euro dollar. ThinkMarkets has two account types. Their standard account has spreads around 1.1 pips, but their Think0 account offers spreads from 0 pips. However, Think0 charges a commission of $3.50 per trade and needs $500 to start, so FBS is cheaper for small accounts. But ThinkMarkets Think0 is better for high volume traders. Both brokers offer MetaTrader 4 and 5, which are industry standards. ThinkMarkets adds their own ThinkTrader platform with extra features and TradingView charts. FBS has a simple mobile app that's great for beginners. ThinkMarkets gives you more advanced tools, while FBS keeps things straightforward. Leverage is huge with FBS, going up 3,000 to 1 outside Europe. ThinkMarkets maxes out at 500 to 1. High leverage means bigger potential profits, but also bigger risks. FBS offers more flexibility here, but be careful. Which is better? Well, choose FBS if you're a beginner with a small budget who wants low costs and high leverage. Pick ThinkMarkets if you want top-level regulation, advanced tools, and plan to trade with larger amounts. Both are solid choices, just for different types of traders. That's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.